future. The future. It is a feeling, robot. Bright or dark tomorrow, built from angry or sorrow. We're free to be special or hollow. Free to be, free to switch off, free to be, free to feel joy, free to be, free to be in the future again. The future, the future, the future. It is a feeling, robot. Again, the future.